from Tajmotormedics. I've got a BMW 1 Series here on a 2013 plate. I'm just going to show you how to remove the rear tail light cluster and show you what bulbs are for what, how to replace them as well at the same time, like a stop lamp, position lamp, reverse light, indicator lamp, and the fog lamp as well. Now, good thing about this one, you've got the fog lamps on there at the same time, on the same side, either side you've got fog lamps. You've got reverse lights as well, indicator obviously, position lamp, stop lamp. So I'm going to show you how it's done. First of all, I'll show you this side. Now the bulbs you need, I've got them all right here. I've got the numbers for the bulbs, so I'll show you in a minute. So first thing first, you do is remove this cover. Once you remove this cover, on the inside here, that's the stop lamp. So if I remove this, twist it to my left and then bring it out. Now this is what it is. Now if you did want to replace this unit, it's quite easy to replace. You can find a part number on this, go online, you can get one if this stops working. Just unplug it from here, push in and then take out. That's how easy it is. So the bulb you need is, for this one, is a 382 bulb for that stop lamp. So I'll slot that back in. Make sure when you slot it in, it's in a good angle and it screws in properly. So that's still not in, so I need to locate. There we go. That's it, that's done now. Now to remove this, you've got a clip on the bottom here and then you've got a clip on the top. So what I do, I push this one in and then from the top here, push that one and then take the whole thing out. Now if you did want to unplug this, again, it's quite an easy procedure. Push this in, take the plug out, job done. Now if you see anywhere on the any burnt marks on the pins itself or the plug, that means there's a problem, so you'll have an electrical shortage. So I'll plug that back in. Now the bulbs you need basically, so you've got the indicator lamp, which is this one, 581 bulb. This is the fog lamp, which is a where are we? It's a 955 bulb, and this is a fog light as well as a position lamp. That's a position lamp as well as a stop lamp. So this is a 382 bulb, and then this one here is a 435. So that's a 435. Just remember the pins on the 435 as well, so they're quite close, they're not straight or across each other, so you can see the pins. So when you put it back in, make sure it slots in as well. Now if you wanted to do the other side as well, it's exactly the same procedure. I'm just going to try to slot this in now. Slot it in and then you get the top one in first and then get the bottom one in clipped. There we go, that's in. That's all in. Now to do the other side, it's exactly the same procedure. The bulbs are exactly the same as those, so I don't need to remove it. And there is no, like, I mean, you know, to get to it, it is quite easy, same as this side as well. So the bulbs you need for all of them, just give you the numbers again. Now for the fog light, you need a 435. For the indicator, you need a 581. For the reverse light, you need a 955, and for the position lamp you need a 382, and for the stop lamp you need a 382. If I'm incorrect, I will correct it in the description as well. I'll just check it and everything. Now if there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you and goodbye.